Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful day. Y'all, I'm excited about this video because your girl Toni Daley has dropped a new unit. And I got my hands on it. And I know you want to see what it looks like and how it's going to look on me. And she's having a sale. So what do you need to do? Keep on watching. All right, y'all, run, grab your chairs and have a seat at the Grown Women's Table, and let's get into this video. So in this video, I will be showing you the unit, and we're going to do a first impressions. We're going to take it straight out the box and see what it do. So first of all, Toni Daley is having a sale this weekend, and I think it ends tomorrow. That's why I'm here in the middle of the night giving y'all this video so y'all can get your hands on this unit and a few other things. But first of all, let me show you what came in the pack. So you got a wig cap. There's actually two because I already have one on my head. And then you have, I forgot what these little things are called, but you know the little scarves that you can put over your head. But isn't that cute? It says Toni Daley and it's black and white, so it'll be able to go with any type of outfit. And then this is gorgeous. I got this little band to go around your head, and it'll make more sense once you see the wig. Hey y'all, look at these earrings. Aren't they cute? So I got a pair of earrings and of course the unit. So y'all, Toni Daley is having a sale this weekend and 20% off the whole site. And let me see what the code is. Hold on one moment. All right, y'all. So it's a flash sale. It's 20% off. The code is FLASH20. And it ends October the 14th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I just want to make sure I gave y'all the information so y'all didn't say, oh, you didn't tell me, girl. I told you. All right, y'all. So the wig comes in this unit. So what I'm going to do is just take my little scarf off. And I already had the wig cap on. And you guys know I have gray hair. So what I did was I went in with, where is it at? With this edge booster. And it's, the color is a gel, but it's black. So I'm doing that until I dye my hair. So let's open up the unit and let's talk about it. Now, first of all, this wig is her very first human hair wig, which I thought was awesome. And let me take the little thing off of it. Now, the first thing I want to show you. Y'all see it's a headband wig. And what I really am excited about with this headband wig, it has Velcro. So if you needed to just go here, if your head's a little bigger, you can. And then if your head is a little smaller, it can tighten all the way up. So I really like the fact that it's customizable like that. Let me show you the inside of the wig. So you have a, we have a comb here. One on this side. Actually, we have two combs. My bad. We got two combs here. One right here. One right here. And that's it. So you have 4 combs, and this is what the inside of the cap looks like. So baby, you got security. Your wig is not flying off. So you're going to be good. Now, this is a natural hair wig that represents a girl with natural hair. So when you get it, I'm trying to put my little thing back. Hold on. All right. When you get the unit, it's already twisted for you. So when you take the twist out, and the hair is super soft. It's already in the twist out, y'all. Look at that, girl. Already in the twist out. So what we're going to do, we about to get in here and let's just do it. I don't normally use combs in my wig, so I'm not going to use them now, I don't think. I might use the one in the front. But let me see, I'm going to get my little mirror right here. And these earrings that I'm wearing, super cute. These are Toni's as well. So let me just put it on. Okay, so I'm gonna use the comb in the back. I might not have had to. I'm gonna pull it back to about right there. And then let's see how tight I need to get mine. Yeah, I'm liking. Okay, so this is what it look out like straight out the box. So let me just go through and put a little oil on my hands. I'm gonna treat it like I would treat my own twist out. Help prevent some of the frizz. Y'all, this is very soft. So I'm gonna go through here and just untwist it. Oh yeah, Toni, you was doing some deep conditioning on these wigs, huh? And now I'm gonna go in and just kind of separate the twist. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be big hair, don't care. What is y'all talking about? All right, y'all, I'm just fluffing it out some. Just getting it to have a little shape. And y'all, this is not tangling up or anything. And the fact that it's human hair, that means I can go in and if I want my twist out to be, you know, more defined, I can make my twist a lot smaller and have a more defined look. But I'm really like, oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Oh, this is so pretty, y'all. Oh, she cute. She cute. Oh, yeah. And you guys know I wear a natural hair, my own natural hair. And this mimics natural hair. And I feel like it can mimic multiple textures of natural hair. If you make your twist bigger, you have looser curls. If you make smaller twists and make them tighter, you'll have more of a curly look. And I kind of really love that it's not that smooth look. You get that nice frizz. Because y'all know our hair be frizzing up, child. And I'm just really playing with it at this point. Oh, this is cute, y'all. What do y'all think? Y'all in the comment section, let me know. And I think if I kind of wanted to, let's see. If you just kind of wanted to do, ooh, we could probably pull it over this way. Fluff this up some. So you definitely have some options with the styling. Put it back over because I'm kind of like doing it like that. Down the middle. And one thing I saw her do, well, she just kind of like took it. Like, you know, if I just want to run to the store. Let me get me a ponytail holder. Y'all, this a look. And you just want to run to the store and you just want to put it on. And if you don't want the hair all in your face, girl, we got us a low pony. So this wig definitely has some versatility. Yeah, I'm liking this. This looks so natural. Oh, this is so natural looking. And the hair is so soft. And if you like me and you have that nervous energy and you just like to twist your hair, and we don't need to be playing in our hair all the time, girl, I'm gonna just be twisting my wig. Alright, y'all, so this is basically out the box, out the bag. All I did was untwisted it and fluffed it out. Kind of, you know, molded the hair to my liking. Bam. This is it. And it's so quick and easy because I could just pull it on and off. Pull it on and off and not have to worry about it. Oh, y'all, she cute, cute. All right, y'all. I did want to show you some of the earrings that Toni Daley has on her website. So if you're thinking about picking up some earrings, I did check and make sure that these were still available. So this style is available. I love this style. This style is available. And remember, they're 20% off. We got a style like that. Y'all love this one right here. This style, because especially you got, you know, a lot of hair, you like some big earrings so your earrings can pop out. So yes, I love that. What else? And of course, y'all know Toni and I did a collab, and my earrings are called Self Love. They come in black, gold, and purple. And it says, I love me. I know you do, right? I know you love yourself. And what else is over here? I think these are available. I don't want to lie. Now, remember I told you she gave me this little thing right here? I feel like I could just put this, hold on, let's see. That is super cute. That go look good with what I kind of got on right now. Got a little blue in it. Ain't that cute? Y'all. Okay, I'm not going to hold y'all any longer. That is it. But definitely go check her out. Go get your sale. Oh, and this week, this unit is $99. Yeah, I'm 100% it's $99. And if you get it on sale, you get 20% off. So, winning. So, y'all, make sure you thumbs up this video if you like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And y'all, that is it. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Yeah, check out Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life. Yeah, it's Lori's life.